Hello, Curt Schwaderer, Technology Trends Specialist with OpenSystems Media, here talking with Tyler Smith from Microchip. We're here to talk a little bit about the Internet of Things and what it means to Microchip. Maybe you can elaborate on what Microchip thinks about the Internet of Things and the kind of product and solutions that you think the market needs to fill the dream.
Well, thanks, Curt. Yeah, the Internet of Things is definitely a realization here in the embedded space. And for Microchip, we're really focusing on enhancing our Wi-Fi modules to address the needs of getting our embedded systems onto the Internet and being able to connect those either directly to the Internet or connection via your iPad, your tablet, as well as your smartphone, or also to enable cloud services and cloud computing.
Okay.
So it's a very up and growing market trend, and Microchip is doing a lot of investment in our Wi-Fi solutions.
Right. When you mentioned the embedded space going into the Internet, some people might think of that as just slapping Internet access on every single thing from your wireless router down to your refrigerator, your toaster. Maybe you can talk about are the requirements for all these embedded environments the same?
No, not necessarily, and that's really where there's a lot of decisions being made in the marketplace as to what is the right technology, what is the right wireless technology for these embedded products. Microchip is really focused on core embedded wireless technologies, not only Wi-Fi, but also Bluetooth and 802.15.4 to support Zigbee networks as well as proprietary networks. So we're seeing it really depends on what the customer's needs are for connecting, and whether it's a point-to-point to connect directly again to your tablet or smartphone,
right,
or whether you truly need internet access and command and control, or whether you're actually creating a system that is more of a gateway to bridging two different wireless networks, which gives you many different options now, from a very low cost, low footprint type of an application from a sensor network, but also giving you that bridging capability so that you have the either internet control or the tablet or smartphone access for connecting and controlling your devices.
Okay, so one size does not fit all here. Maybe you can talk about the kind of solutions that Microchip provides to cover the spectrum. What do you think needs to be done?
Absolutely. Our announcement here at Design West is really the expansion of our product portfolio, both in the regards of our embedded Wi-Fi solutions, which typically are module-based implementations. We have modules that have the TCP/IP stack on the module, which allows us to now Wi-Fi enable products with the modules themselves or to any microcontroller-based system. We also have our Wi-Fi modules that leverage the horsepower of our PIC microcontroller family and the TCP/IP stacks and services that we've developed inside of Microchip to help foster the new services and the either XML and Java web page type applications that are really starting to become needed for these types of applications.
Okay, maybe you can give us an example of a solution set. If you're talking about small embedded nodes that may need to communicate small amounts of information amongst themselves and then provide a gateway to internet access to have controllability through your cell phone or your iPad, what kinds of technologies, or how does Microchip fit all that together?
That's a very great question for a relevant system application. What we've done is we've actually taken our 15.4 radio modules with a very small 8-bit microcontroller, running our own proprietary communication protocol stack, and these become very low power, low data rate end devices that can be a sensor network or a flow sensor or some kind of measurement unit, and then that becomes its own private little network, a LAN network, that then communicates back to what we're calling our bridge or our gateway device, using again a PIC microcontroller that's managing the two different protocols and taking that information and getting it onto our Wi-Fi connection via the TCP/IP, so that we can connect now to either a smartphone or tablet or to the internet and cloud services to be able to manage and control that network. So we can get the data from it, we can manage it, we can control it, all from an internet-based connection and internet services without actually having internet at all of the different end devices.
I see.
So
Okay.
it's really bridging the two different values and attributes of the networks.
Okay. So you see that it's not all about one size fits all and the TCP/IP stack going everywhere. I think you're talking about using a mix of different technologies to fit what the requirements are for that little piece, and still being able to provide a variety of service for the connected endpoints out on the internet. I thank you very much for your time, and it was great to talk to you.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thanks.